I will be making an espresso martini, a great drink during the holidays. The recipe will be in the description below and on liqueur.com. We start off with vodka, Kahlúa, and instant coffee, as well as a simple syrup, which is not shown. We pour 2 ounces of vodka, followed by a half an ounce of Kahlúa. As I do not have any espresso, I use the instant coffee but concentrated. As you can see, I poured about a tablespoon of instant coffee and very little water. An ounce of the espresso is needed. Next, a half an ounce of a simple syrup is needed. Mix all the ingredients together and there you have it, an espresso martini. In the comments, what is your go-to cocktail?